Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a little Granny Angel number 3. So let's get started. And I'm working with cotton worsted yarn and a 5.5mm hook. Start with a slip knot, chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. Chain 2, 1, 2, and that will take the place of the first double crochet. Make 2 more double crochet in the ring, 1 and 2. Now I'm going to make a corner, chain 2, 1, 2. Make 3 double crochet in the ring, 1, 2, and 3. Make a corner, 1, 2. Make 3 double crochet in the ring, 1, 2, and 3. Make a corner, chain 2, 1, 2. Make 3 double crochet in the ring, 1, 2, and 3. Make a corner, chain 2, 1, 2. Now find the top of that chain 2, and it's easy to find the top of your chain 2 if you just pull up and then you see the post. So slip stitch to join, and that's the first row, and you have 4 corners. So now I'm going to chain 2 and I'm going to turn, and in this corner, in this chain 2 space, I'm going to make 2 chain 3. I'm going to make 2 clusters of 3 double crochet, so that's equivalent to the first double crochet. So make 2 more, 1 and 2, chain 2, 1, 2, make 3 more double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. So there's your corner. Now go to the next chain 2 space and repeat this. So you make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, and make 3 more double crochet in that same space. So 1, 2, and 3. Now that's your corner, and that's your other corner. Go to the next chain 2 space and repeat this. So 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, chain 2, and then 3 more double crochet, 1 and 2 and 3. Go to the next chain 2 space and repeat 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, chain 2, and 3 more double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Now you're just going to go right over that chain 2 and slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2, and that's your first granny square. And now I'm just going to make loops all the way around, and to do that I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next stitch, 1, 2, 3. Now it's the next stitch is my corner, so just single crochet in the corner, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next stitch, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next stitch. And you're just going to repeat that all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. There's my last chain 3, and I'm going to slip stitch to join in the base of the first chain 3. So slip stitch to join, and now I'm going to fasten off, and I'm going to leave a long yarn end, and there's the finished granny square. Okay, to make the granny square into an angel, I cut a pipe cleaner in half, and I put bells on the ends, but if you don't have bells, you could just fold the ends up like that. So I'm going to use one for the arms, and I'm going to place those there, and this is going to be the legs. So I'm going to fold the legs in half, and I'm going to place them on the arms, like that. And then I'm going to fold this over, like this, and I'll pull that yarn end through. And then I'm just going to pass the yarn end all the way around and come back out in the front. And then pass it to the back. So I fold that down like that. And I'm going to use a little wooden ball for the head. I have 3 squares of bathroom tissue here. Place it in my hand. I'm going to just pour a little bit of water in, like that, and then pour some white glue in the center, like that. Now fold these in, add a bit more water, enough to saturate it, and then just roll it into a ball, like that. And then you can let that dry and then paint it, and you'll have a little round face. I took a pipe cleaner, shaped it into a circle like that to form the halo, and then there was a hole in my ball, so I just tucked it down inside the head. But if I hadn't had a hole, I could have just formed the circle and then glued it on top of the head. And I'm going to take the head, I'm going to place that down inside, and I can take some white glue and just put that in on the inside just to hold that in place. And I have a little bow, place some glue on the back of that and glue that there. And I have an ornament hanger, and I just straightened out the bottom, passed on some beads, and then I can hook that onto the halo like that. And there you have a cute little angel ornament. You can add some angel wings in the back. And to make the wings, I just drew a shape of wings on some cereal box cardboard, and I traced around it. And this is a sheet of cardboard from a shirt, but you could just use cereal box, and you could just do it like that and follow the same procedure. Then I took some gold acrylic paint and I painted the wings. While the paint was still wet, I took some gold glitter and tapped that into the wet paint. Like that, and then I'll let that dry, and I'll shake off the extra glitter and cut them out, and then I can do the other side, just paint them in gold and sprinkle them with glitter. And if you don't want to use those kind of angel wings, you can make another granny square like this, and then you can just gather it in the center like this, and wind something around to hold it, and then either sew or glue it to the back. You could use a hot glue gun, or you could use white glue and put that down in the back. So there's another cute little granny square angel that you can make.